You're watching Assuring Awesome. Today I'm bringing you the autumn fern. The autumn fern is a special fern. The fern I'm going to talk about is a fern you can plant indoors or outdoors. This fern is very good for winter. This fern is called an autumn fern because of one reason. Its leaves turn into copper colored leaves like the autumn leaves do, so that's why it gets its name. So during spring its leaves are colored and they look like those copper leaves or yellow leaves that are on your plants during autumn. Some plants, not all plants, and that's a very very beautiful color, and I would love to add that color in my plant collection. So I am going to plant this nice outdoor fern in my outdoor space. Giving it a place in my garden would really make me happy, because this fern is evergreen, it's tolerant to winter temperatures, and it's low maintenance. So I don't have to do so much to maintain this fern. I just have to plant it in very good soil and put it in a very good pot, and then it will really look great outside in the winter, or I can also leave it indoors and it would also look great. And this fern has some small leaves. I'm saying small leaves that I have been wondering what it is, but it has these small things behind the leaves that you could mistake to be maybe you mistake it to be insects, but it adds some it's very decorative, and it adds some nice texture to the leaves. So I love this autumn fern, and I'm very excited to add it onto all the other ferns I have in my garden and to create the greenery in it. Most of the other ferns I have are for indoors, and they're always inside, and I just bring them out during the summer. But this fern is going to be planted outdoors, and it will remain outdoors also during the winter. So I'm very excited. Today I'm filming indoors because it's really cold outside. It's February and it's -5, so I have to be warm, and I'm filming this inside, and I wait until it's warm in order for me to go out and plant this for you. But I have told you all about this fern, why you should plant it, why you should buy it. It's very nice and it's evergreen. You need evergreen plants in your garden because you need something where when all the plants die off, that can still give structure to your garden. You know, ferns are very good for that, and ferns are very good in giving structure. They help in maintaining they're good for lower beds, and you could also use them for so many things. You cover lots of ground if you don't have lots of plants to use, but they're very easy, very good, and they do not cost a lot of money like other plants that you buy. You spend a lot of money on, and then they will die within a few days or within a few months, and you still have to buy the plant. Oh, by the way, this plant is a perennial plant. Yeah, so it doesn't die. It just keeps coming back. So it's not like the other plants that seasonal plants. So it just keeps growing, and it will be evergreen in your day. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you like this video, and send me your questions and comments below, and let me know what you think about this video. And if you have any requests, leave it down below. Don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.